for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can send bigger and bolder text in Discord. First step, open Discord on your laptop or your phone because it works the same way, and then open a text channel. Now, to send bigger messages or texts, what you simply have to do is put a hashtag at the beginning of the sentence or the text that you want to send. So here you'd see me typing hashtag, space, and then the text that I want to send. And just like that, when you press enter, the text that you will be sending will be bigger and bolder. Now, if you type it without the hashtag sign, it will just be a normal text with the normal size you'll usually see on Discord. To try it once again, just type hashtag, then type a space between it and the text that you want to send, and then it will be bigger and bolder as you saw earlier. And that's the end of this quick and easy tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again in our next videos.